upscale exterior is matched by a premium interior for a luxurious feeling. The instrument panel has a full-width horizontal design, with its movements stretching from door to emphasize the spaciousness of the cabin. The big 9-inch display screen dominates the center, with big user-friendly dial controls for the audio and ventilation functions. The shapes are bold and strong, yet finished in comfortable, soft-touch materials. The layering of the different materials, including the dynamic silver finisher, adds an extra level of sophistication. So what is our new unbreakable design? It's about the right combination of masculine solidity and sleek and modern execution. The body-on-frame construction provides high ground clearance and strength, fit for any driving condition. The proportions of the design is strong and bold. The hood is tall and horizontal. The body is muscular, and the driver sits up high for a commanding road presence. So we've created an overall image that is imposing and rugged. Then, our design team went on to add the sophistication and the expression of technology. Starting with a new front face, we take inspiration from the Patrol. Our new V-Motion grille is powerful, with the thick frame contrasting with the refined horizontal chrome bars within. It sits very well in the family next to our Patrol. We also had fun designing the front bumper. With the unique layers overlapping each other, there's an overall protected yet sophisticated feeling. This, combined with the sleek, high-tech headlamps and the powerful grille, provides a distinctive front face that looks tough, modern, and upscale. The LED headlamps add another layer of sophistication. The unique C-shaped LED signature of the Patrol has evolved and interpreted in a new way on the X Terra. The quad LED projector lamps, like ice cubes, have a high-tech vibe. Each one is intricately framed in its own bezel, showing off our attention to detail. Moving to the rear, at first glance, you feel the width of the vehicle from the strong horizontal movement of the tail lamps. The wide LED signatures and the characteristic chrome center finisher further emphasize the strength and width. Like its Patrol brother, the rear bumper uses squared-off shapes to show that the X Terra is well protected. We have 8 colors for the new exterior, with bright brown and burgundy as signature shades for this model. The new light gray interior color adds to the richness of the vehicle. Overall, we are very excited to see the new X Terra in our lineup. It continues our strong SUV heritage in the region, while continue to advance our designs with modern technology and styling.
The all-new Nissan X Terra 21 model year is equipped with Nissan Intelligent Mobility, our suite of advanced technology that create a whole new way of driving. With these new technologies, we know you'll feel more confident and connected than ever. These include intelligent emergency braking, blind spot warning, intelligent forward collision warning, intelligent driver alertness. But for now, I would like to focus our attention towards 4 additional exciting technologies that will take the X Terra driving experience to the next level. The rear cross traffic alert, the lane departure warning, a round view monitor with moving object detection. First off, let's start with the rear cross traffic alert. It watches around the rear of your X Terra and can warn you about the cars it detects approaching on either side. You will now back up feeling more confident than ever. Moving on to the lane departure warning feature. When the vehicle gets close to the lane markers, as a result of a driver inattention, this system warns the driver to pay attention by display an audio warning for you to correct your course and get back into position. Finally, we make parking even easier. Intelligent Around View Monitor uses 4 cameras, giving you 360 bird's eye view of your vehicle, with split screen close-ups of your front, rear, and curbside views. And with moving object detection, the system can detect movement around your vehicle, so no surprise will get in your way. With the reintroduction of X Terra, Nissan will now be present in every segment of the SUV category, further reinforcing our position in the market and making sure we have a product for everyone. We are extremely excited by the opportunities that lies ahead. The Nissan X Terra powers every adventure with a 2.5-liter gasoline engine, 165 horsepower and 241 Nm in torque. The engine is also mated with a 7-speed automatic transmission, achieving a fuel economy of 11.4 km per liter, making it the best in its segment. Let's take a closer look at the driving options. You can switch between 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive with just a twist of a dial. Heading to rocky, muddy or sandy conditions, 4-low differential lock as well as hill descent control and hill start assist has you covered. X Terra will come to our markets in 3 grade walks and 5 prices. Let's take a look at the grades available. The SE is available in 2-wheel drive with a starting price of around $27,200 or a 4-wheel drive option from $29,700. Our second grade titanium model is available in 2-wheel drive with a starting price of around $30,500 or a 4-wheel drive from a $32,700. Lastly, the platinum grade is priced around $36,500. There you have it, the all-new Nissan X Terra. It's such an exciting new product for us, and we know you will love it as much as we do. It has the style, safety, and technology to be the ideal partner for collective experiences, taking you together beyond boundaries.